Okay, so I'm in the store, right? I'm just trying to buy a new grill. It's a nice one. I'm excited. Summer's coming. And the very nice cashier says, "Sir, would you like to save 20% today by opening a store credit card?" Now, my brain. It does a thing. I call it a financial panic attack. You know the feeling? Your heart does a little thump thump thump. Your palms get a bit sweaty. And a little voice in your head starts screaming. Let's listen to that voice together, in percent. That's a good deal, Arnie. That's real money. But it's a store card. It only works here. It's not a real credit card, it's a loyalty trap with a 28.99% April, but think of the savings. You're being financially savvy. No, you're being financially tricked. They get you with the discount, and then you come back next week because you have the card, and you spend more. And then you carry a balance. And then the interest eats that 20% savings for breakfast. I'm just standing there, smiling at the cashier, while a full-on debate is happening and my cashier is waiting. She's so patient. She's seen this before. She knows the war being waged behind my eyes. Just do it. It's fine. It's just one card. It's a hard inquiry on your credit report. For a grill. Your future mortgage lender doesn't care about your perfectly seared steaks. This is the moment. The pivotal financial decision made in a fluorescent lit aisle, with a line forming behind you. I take a deep breath. I look at the grill. I look at the cashier's, and I say it. You know what? I'm gonna pass today. But thank you so much for the offer. Relief is instant. The financial panic attack subsides. The little voice in my head gives me a silent high five. Because here's the truth, that 20% off isn't a reward. It's the price of your future impulse buys. They're not giving you a discount, they're buying your future debt at a wholesale rate. Save 20%, use a coupon. Pay with cash. Use a regular rewards card you already have. Don't let the pressure of the moment sign you up for a decade of high-interest regret. Walk away from the store card. Your future self, and your credit score, will thank you. Now, who's hungry? I've got a grill to pay for. The smart way.